Hopefully you guys can hear me over this mic, but it's raining heavily outside. So I have about a half a pound of Big Daddy's chicken minced meat. And yes, I'll be touching it with my hands. That's it. Right. Then I like to add my seasoning before I turn my minced meat into hamburger. So I'm just gonna add some salt, a little bit of salt, a lot of black pepper actually. All-purpose seasoning here. It's gonna add a lot to that. And I'm gonna mix it with my hands now. I'm hoping I can make at least 3 patties and make them into smashed patty. Okay. I'm going to first wash my hands and add some oil to help with the grabbing of this. Here we go. The pot is on medium. I'm not gonna add any oil into it because this produces its own oil. And I'm going to try to make 3 smashed burgers. So as I add it to the pan, I spread it out with my hand just to make it as flat as possible. Second one. And last one. I'm going to continuously split them every 1 to 1.5 minutes until they are cooked. These are how they are looking. And I'm going to make them even flatter. Sorry, the rain is coming down a lot outside. While those are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and slice some onions this way. I've never had like grilled onions or salted onions on burger, and I've done burgers a lot of times, so I'm just going to slice up some onions to saute. There is a lot of grease in here, and I'm just going to take out about 3/4 of it. Had I left them in the grease, you wouldn't see any brown grill marks on them. It will just cook them just like that. And I want to see like some brown marks on them. I'm gonna add in the onion right next to them and let that cook. I don't like raw onion, so just until it is really cooked. And the last one. And these are actually going to be cheeseburgers, so yeah. Time to flip the burgers. And I'm going to show you what I mean by the mark. This mark right there, that's what I mean. That's right there. I press down on them each for about 5 seconds. Yeah. Even though you think they're done, they're not done. I want to make sure that they are completely cooked. So when I add the cheese, a little trick that I do is I added a little bit of water in the skillet as a cover on top of it, so that water will help it to finish cooking, but also help the cheese to melt. Just a tip. So I press down like this. I even put my hand there, fingers, and just press down for about 5 seconds up. And these are some juicy burgers. This is the butter I'll be using. Grill it using the grease from the burger. I'm gonna cut off the end. Sorry. About here. Sorry. And to here. And just copy it to here. So the bread is finished toasted. I'm gonna add the burgers back in. And then the cheese first, 3 slices per. Bring this up somehow. Sorry. It's a messy video. 3 slices. And on top of them, I'm gonna add some caramelized onions. They got all soft there. I hope they're sweet. I really hope that they're sweet. Alright, and here we go with the water. Just a little bit. There we go. A little bit of water. And let's add the cover on. Leave it on until the cheese is completely melted. I have some honey mustard here. I'm going to add it to the bottom layer. They are done. I'm just going to turn it off. And on the top layer as well. I wish I had fries to go with this, honestly. I honestly wish I had fries. But I don't. So. And these are very filling. You get that. Some sauce on top of the burger itself. Not much. Let's grab a plate. Either way, I'm just going to do it this way. Woo. Look at that. You see that juice? Do you see that juice? That was my sister. This is my turn. Now I'm going to add some tomato ketchup for starters. Just to the base of the... Okay, just to the base. Ketchup is my favorite condiment food. And then the other side, I'm gonna add some hot pepper. Oh, that's too much. And just dip, let it dip. Okay, put it that. Then I'm gonna add my burger. Here it is. Some of this honey mustard sauce. Okay. Spread it over the bun, the burger. Alright. Cover it. Flip it around. Cut it the same. I'm going to give you guys a taste test and be honest with you. Hold on, let me tidy up first. It's good. Mm. All the sauces together and the onion, let's taste it. I don't take the onion. I don't. It's sweet. It is sweet. Mm. Bye.